Hello guys and welcome to my channel Crafting My Way, and today I'm going to be making a fake pumpkin slash sweet potato pie. Um, Earlier I showed you guys the slices that I made. I ordered the silicone slice from Amazon, and I also mixed it with the plastering in Paris mixture. You have to follow direction. And I just poured two of the slices, and they came out nice. I didn't show that on the film, I'm sorry. But right here, I'm going to make the bottom dough with the air dry clay that I got from Amazon from the granola company is the one that I'm using. So right here, I'm making the crust for the bottom of the pie, so to speak. And I'm using the parchment paper on the top so that it don't mess the rolling pin up because I never used a rolling pin before. So just in case if I decide to use it, I can. But I'm making the crust for the bottom of it. And the little slices came out really nice. I just really love working with this plastering in Paris. I did try, and I'll tell you guys, which it was really horrible for me. I tried compound, but it actually it did get hard, but on the top, the bottom never did. So that's just the reason I really like I saw that someone that I was watching, another crafter, she used the plastering in Paris, and it does come out really nice. So right here, I'm working with the little crust. You have to just keep going. I ended up getting it okay, but it still ended up being a little too thick for me. But you learn as you go along. So this was my first time ever making this. I did a pie fake pie before, but I didn't do it with the plastering and none of this. So, matter of fact, I did it out of a sponge one time and out of something else another time, but never this. But it ended up turning out nicely. So I did get it cut down to size, but the next time I would still make sure that I get it a little thinner than what I got. And so right here, which I kind of did it off. I was having a problem with my camera, I'm sorry, but I did get the pie slice trimmed down some, and I did paint it with the beige paint that I got from the Target spot. I just really like that color because I didn't have to mix it with anything, and it came out perfect. And with this color, I've mixed red, yellow, beige, orange, white, and got this color. So you can go for a sweet potato or you can go for pumpkin. But this is what I ended up doing for this. And the other one, as you can see here, when I begin to, start painting it, it still turned out, like I said, with the same color or whatever. But I did keep the beige where I didn't have to add anything to it. I just really like that color. When you're picking up things, you don't know how the color gonna come out because I really don't get a lot of paint from the Target spot. But I did like that, and I did other fake pies, and so far I've been using that color for the crust at the top of it, and it turned out just fine for me. And just right here, I'm just touching up some of it and really liking the way it come out. So the only thing I have to do is take my spackle and make my little Cool Whip, and that would be my pies. I just love how all of the colors, how it came out. Okay, and right here, I'm getting ready to use, I got this big container. I wish I lost footage on some of this because I do have the container up where you can see it, and it's lightweight spackle that my husband got for me from Home Depot, and then I also have the little kit where I'm going to put the spackle on his Cool Whip. I got that from the Dollar Tree, But I'm thinking I just lost footage on that as well, which I'm sorry about that. But I do like the way that they end up turning out um, at the end. So I just put the little Cool Whip on it, the little spackle, and I really love the way that it works. Okay, and this is the finishing of the pies, and I thought it came out so devilish cute with the little Cool Whip. And like I said, you can say it's your potato, or you can say it's your pumpkin, but it just came out really nice. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.